Safety experts are expressing concerns about the safety of Tesla's Cybertruck due to its angular design and stiff stainless steel exoskeleton. 6 safety professors and officials who viewed crash test videos during a webcast event emphasized the need for crash test data to make conclusive safety assessments. The concern is that the stiff exterior could pose risks to pedestrians and cyclists, causing more harm upon impact. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has defended the Cybertruck's safety, stating confidence in its safety for occupants and pedestrians. The vehicle, designed with a visually distinct flat and angular appearance, features a stainless steel exterior that Tesla claims is tough and impact-absorbing. Some experts raise concerns about limited, crumple zones, but others suggest the possibility of shock-absorbent mechanisms compensating for this. The starting price of the Cybertruck is $60,990, and despite not being a high-volume vehicle like the Model Y, Tesla aims for a production rate of approximately 250,000 Cybertrucks per year by 2025. Safety concerns extend to potential hazards for non-occupants, such as pedestrians and cyclists. Some experts question the compatibility of the Cybertruck with European safety rules, expressing concerns about its impact on pedestrians and cyclists in collisions.